it's Mended Australia, and you're here with Karen today in my studio, and we're going to look at how to make a no-sew mask. And it's probably a good idea to know how to make one, because as of Thursday morning we will be wearing these and they will be mandatory. First we're going to start with a bandana. A bandana here that's a bit larger than the pink one. That will be for a male. This bandana will measure how big it is. 50, and I would say by 50. Yes, 50 by 50. Square. We fold it into the middle, and this side we fold into the middle. If we fold like that, what we're going to do now is bring the sides of the bandana in to the centre, like that. And what I've made up here are two elastics for around the ears, made from thin elastic, been knotted on either side, and I've put a button for around the ears. There's the button to make it sit better. It's an unusual style button. You don't have to have that, but I've just decided to do that. Make it sit better. And that's going to go around this, like that. And this one on the other side, with the button facing down, like that. And there you have your mask. It sits and fits really, really well, and quite light and quite effective, and it looks pretty too. You don't need to rush off shopping to buy sewing machines and sewing notions and fabrics. You can do it all at home, and that way you stay at home. If you don't have elastic, you can use an old t-shirt, as I've done here with an old t-shirt. I've cut off the bottom of the t-shirt into strips about 2 inches in width. So I've just cut across there a number of times, 2-inch strips. This is what results by pulling the t-shirt fabric. It all curls up and you have an elasticized cotton tie that can be used just like the elastic is being used here, in the same way. It's getting really hard to find elastic in the shops. There you go, there's another idea for you. So don't panic. If you don't have any bandanas or can't find any bandanas, you can cut up some garment not being used and is in your wardrobe, You just cut it up into something like that size. Then you just mark out your 50 by 50 centimetres, and a little bit bigger maybe for a male. You can neaten the edges with pinking shears, an overlocker, or you can just leave the edges. It's up to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to send us a message via this YouTube video or via our Facebook page, Mend It Australia, at Mend Aussie on Facebook, all one word, Mend Aussie. Stay safe and keep well. Thank you for watching.